hungry. I think I'll go to the fridge to get some food. Oh no! Well guys, it looks like Aurora has got a surprise toy in her fridge. I think it's something. Shopkins Season 3 Blind Basket! But we also have a Zelf pod and 2 Season 4 12 packs. So we leave them over here. I think the first thing that I want to open is the Zelfs. So let's find where I started opening it. And then I just put it there. And let's take the card off. And so here is, who did we get? Oh, we got last time I got this koala one, but it was a glittery one. It was either a glittery one or a shimmery one, but this time we got the normal one. Yay! And the cool thing about these is they can sit on top of them. That doesn't work. We'll just keep him out of it. Next, I think I'm gonna go for Shopkins, the Shopkins Season 4 12 pack. So this has some, and it has a crate. What is it called? A crate, and it has a crate. So, and I'm excited to see what Shopkins we get in the crate. But the bad thing about these is that they come in clear bags, so you know which ones you're going to get in the crate when you open them. So we've got our list in case we don't know any of the names. So let's just get the list set out first. Here's our list, and sorry about that. Right, so let's see who we get in it. And this is quite heavy, so let's put the crate. I'm going to see which we got in the crate first. Right, so it's just, we can open it. Ooh, there we go. I forgot how to do it because I haven't opened them for a long time. So we can actually display these. So we can just get this. Oh, it has elastic. If we just cut that. There we go. Cut it. And there's another piece. I knew that there'd be another piece. Where? We'll put that out. Whoa, our bag fell out. So, let's see. Well, this was actually the same pack. One of the same packs that I've opened, and I got the same bag, Shopkins. I did. So I got the same bag, Shopkins. So let's see. But I have forgotten the names because I haven't done a video in a while, and I haven't opened, I haven't even opened one of these in a while. So this is a glittery one from the pet shop because all of the pet shop are glittery, see? And this one is Little Pet Colour, and this is the one right here. So we'll just put her there for a minute. And this one is one of the Petkins. Look how long the Petkins are, you guys. So we got maple syrup, and I thought it was called maple syrup, but it is actually called Mabel. So I'll sort the crate out in a minute. And in a minute I will also choose what we're going to. I think we'll open the blind basket next. maple syrup. So while I just sort this crate out, how am I meant to do this? I'll leave that just over there, and I'll put these Shopkins there. Right. So, I forgot to tell you that this is a so-called metallic fridge. I'm using my Aurora Barbie doll, so here's a closer look. And I've got my favourite teddy Steve Duck here, and he is kind of squishy, but he's not a plushie. So, this is one of the accessories, and it's this little bag, and it's called Handbag Harriet. This one is, there's also another thing about the season 4 packs, that they don't come in bags anymore. So there's no season 4 bags. And this one is I don't know which one this is. It might be it's a pet. This is a petkin, and it's Stinky Drink. And the Stinky Drink, I should have remembered that. And I should have known that it's a petkin. So this one is, I think it's this one here is the water bottle. And I definitely know this. And I think it's big topping. Sorry, would you say that's water bottle? I think this is like a dog water bottle. And then here is, let me get this right, egg cup. Oh, I wasn't right, but I was close. This is egg cup. We have one from the gardening. It's Prickles, a cactus. I definitely know this one's name. This one is Jiggly. If we can get it out. I've done it before, I don't know how to get it out. Making a little noise right here. This is Jiggly Jelly, I think. Let me get this right. Obviously it's sweet treat. Yes, this is Jiggly Jelly. He's there. What else have we got? This toilet. I think I like this. I like this one. It's the toilet, but it's not. It's a homeware, and it is flushes. I thought it was like something toilet. Oh, I definitely know this one. It's from the fruit and veg, and it's right there. And it's somewhere on the fruit and veg. Can you guess who it is? If you guess peely potato, you are correct. And this is somewhere on the fruit and veg too. And this is somewhere on the fruit and veg too. Can you guess who that is? Millie Mushroom. And at first I got this and I thought that it was cookie nuts, but it's not. I worked out that it's on the sweet treats and it is Pancake Jake. So it's not cookie nuts. So if you watched a video where I got one of these and you said and I said it was cookie nut, it actually isn't. It's actually Pancake Jake. So sorry about that, guys. Right. Before we open our last surprise, before I open our last pack, I think I'm going to open the Shopkins Season 3 blind basket. It had a little rip in it already, but I just decided to cut it. So. And I leave them with the wrapper and I don't take them off before the video. Why did I decide to take that off? Take that? Well, we can throw that because we already have a Season 4 list. Huh? Okay. And I'm trying to, like, get it open without ruining this, because because it has Toasty Bread and Susie Sunday. And Toasty Bread is one of my favourite season 3 Shopkins. I'm gonna have to rip this. Sorry, Susie Sunday and Toasty Bread, but if I don't rip you, we can't get to our fly bags. Oh, this is someone little. I think I can see who it is. Ooh.
Make this last one. Do that in the next video.
Okay. Or shall I just do like one more video after? Oh, this one's good. I think this is asparagus because I feel like little leaves at the top and a normal stalk. I can't really do it without putting it up. Yep, this is asparagus. I see his feet. Oh no, it's not asparagus. This is Sweet Pea. He is one of my favourite season 3s. And this is Sweet Pea. It has 3 peas in the pod and just a little leaf at the top. Pod. We can just put him in there. I know like lots of Shopkins names, like almost all of them, but oh, I have this one. Well, I'm not really sure, but this is Jennifer Rain. Like I said, I know all of them. So thanks for watching this video. Bye.